Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating hands-on project that showcases creativity, precision, and pure craftsmanship. In this video, a young woman takes on the challenge of building a completely custom motorcycle using the engine and parts from an old, worn-out motorbike. From the very first frame, we see her working with quiet focus, carefully inspecting the salvaged engine, analyzing every bolt, and planning the entire build from the ground up. She begins by cleaning the engine block thoroughly, using a wire brush and degreaser to remove layers of grime and rust. It's a meticulous process, but one that sets the tone for the attention to detail she'll bring to the rest of the project. Next, she fabricates the bike's frame by welding sections of metal tubing. Each joint is measured, cut, and welded with extreme care, ensuring the frame is both strong and symmetrical. The sparks fly, and the craftsmanship is unmistakable. Once the frame is complete, she mounts the restored engine into its new home. With the engine securely in place, she moves on to installing the suspension system, repurposing old shock absorbers and aligning them perfectly. Her technical skills really shine through during this phase. She then assembles the wheels, checks the bearings, installs the chain, and even fabricates a custom fuel tank. Her approach is both creative and resourceful, adapting materials she already has while maintaining a clean, streamlined aesthetic. As the build nears completion, she wires up the electrical system, adds a basic headlamp, brake lights, and checks each component carefully. Finally, she primes and paints the bike in a minimal yet stylish finish, giving the whole machine a professional look. The real highlight comes at the end. She kickstarts the engine, and it roars to life. The sound is raw, powerful, and satisfying, a reward for all her hard work. So, did she manage to finish building the motorcycle? Absolutely. And the result is a one-of-a-kind custom bike built from passion, skill, and dedication. Let's give her a round of applause for this incredible restoration. Stick around, because more exciting builds are coming soon.